Do it for the kids, man.
Man, shout out Big Draco all day, every day.
Big Draco. Vaping is bad. It's bad for your body. Please don't do it. Choose a healthy new hobby. What is vaping, you ask? Well, let's introduce it. Vaping is smoke from e-cigarettes, and mind you shouldn't even do it. Vaping is bad. It's bad for your lungs. If it's offered, say no and run. Are you addicted to TV? Addicted to jelly beans? Don't try vaping, you'll be addicted to nicotine. Don't say yes if you're offered a pool. Make a different choice, not a Mata or a Juul. They have different flavors like cotton candy, but the consequences could be deadly. So don't try to hide your Juul inside, or even make it look like a flash drive. Hold up. Vape, that crap ain't safe. Why you wanna vape when we could eat some cake? We want all the smoke, no vape. So when it comes to vaping, let's take a stand. If it's offered, tell them they can toss it in the can.
There is new stuff out like the THC pens. Their main targets are you and your friends. THC is in marijuana and it's bad for your brain. Buy a bad batch and you can go insane. E-cigarettes? Ever heard of those? They're electronic cigarettes that you should dispose. They have the same effects as cigarettes, so they aren't safer. So find another hobby like eating vanilla wafers.
Vape, that crap ain't safe. Why you wanna vape when we could eat some cake? We want all the smoke, no vape. So when it comes to vaping, let's take a stand. If it's offered, tell them they can toss it in the can.